If you want to add a photo to a contact on Motorola Signature, we need to go to the phone app. Next, on the homepage, we can go to the list of contacts. So we can tap on View Contacts in here, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to Contacts in this place. Now we should be able to choose the contact for which we want to add an image, and we can tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner. Now we can tap on the avatar in this place, and here you can, for example, open the camera right now and take a photo at this moment. You can also go to the gallery in order to choose a photo from your gallery. You can also go to Google Photos, you can use a monogram or one of these illustrations. In my case, I'm gonna go to the gallery in here. There we go. Then I can choose the photo that I want to use. We can of course adjust it, we can zoom in and zoom out, move it left, right, and so on and so forth. And you can also rotate the photo in case you want to do so. But once you are done with the photo, once you set it up, you can tap on the Choose at the bottom and then use the Save button in the upper right corner. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.